What's up, my beautiful people? This is your one and only boy, Kaseba. So, guys, when you did the Kuno, came Legacy. Legacy is located somewhere in Mateo. Kuliva Jesa Kuziva, Ngafika pa MK. Yeah, per station pa MK. It's just opposite, yeah. My guys, they prepare good shawarmas and they're very affordable, guys. Let's visit M Legacy. And guys, I've got an interesting news for you. Today I'm not alone. Kun. I'm with a leader that has contributed so much to the community as Zingalume. We just really want to add I just really want to have a conversation with him. Yeah, tukamega one or two and Moise sir.
Moise zone.
Madula.
Chilipo mochitika chima busy nga background shani.
Fine.
Yeah.
Right, it's good to see you again after a long time because I remember the last time when I attended what's the event that you had, Yama Zangi.
Yeah. They are what thingy.
Yeah, and I was really happy to see a lot of youths. My youths never want to and they were busy, they were active, which is a good program.
Yeah.
Can you introduce yourself, by the way?
All right, so I'm David. Yeah, I'm David.
Okay.
Entrepreneur. I'm a student, by the way. I'm also managing one or two artists here in Matelo. So, I want to introduce Bambi in Diva Sak.
Okay. So let's start with something simple. Who's David?
So David, entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
Yeah, David entrepreneur is someone like who's umuntu afunisha kwesa kuchinja che matelo, you know, like kuchinja che like mani waganzila abantu mwamye twashira vindu kuno ku matelo. I think ile David ni manga shishe describe them.
Okay, that's really quite interesting because a lot of people, call you Zingalume. Why do they call you Zingalume? Or where did Zingalume come from?
So, Zingalume, where is Zingalume? Nichewa word. Sibalaki. A lot of people wama Zingalume ni ba shanshania.
Oh, okay.
So, word ya Zingalume nichewa word. Yani meaning by like even if you munichinge, nizatenga famine nifu. You know, like banamando tenga uchuma one mwana mangalo pala. Wazi watukuli nzimu. But bazaye ndakuja kunzima then achibwile chicha cha uchi zinga tiba kwanze kutenga na uchi amenafuna. The same the meaning ya word Zingalume. Then stand up because actually mind want to about like we don't have time. Then we start doing the like things.
Okay, now I understand where the word comes up at stand up.
Yeah. So like let's stand up, then we start now doing the like thing.
Okay, that's really nice and quite interesting because the time I came by that event you had, I saw a number of youths and it was such an inspiring seeing a lot of youths, refraining from drugs, stuff like that, and they came to your event, which was a good program.
Yeah, so it's about how you interact with these fellow youths. Like my society is my main thing. We have a lot of issues that never affect like it's my main youth.
Yeah.
I won't say anything about the government because I know like it's not employable, but in the angle whereby like community we have people who have a lot of money. People can make sure that they can contribute a lot to this society. But it's the first one main my youth in setting at a chin.
Yeah.
Like one no one shemunchi. Because in a single paper and drama kumuntu mamino nikirandine junk azantanza point.
Yeah.
So I think that is the reason like I grew up from the gate to Wamene Zingalume.
Okay.
So like it was like I think let's just start this movement so that we'll be attracting a lot of people. Okay, the match at Tindepo Yambila and to like okay, I've not that development to come on. Like anything, I've not cheated so like it's a teacher between Wamene Amatana Mazanki. My invest here and person as a teacher like okay, these people they are lacking ABCD. So I think the best way we can do is ABCD because in that way they can main my youth down.
Okay, that's good. That's nice. Talking about Zingalume, what is Zingalume all about? Like Umashetsani Zingalume?
Yeah, so Zingalume Stand Up, it's well registered organization. It's an NGO.
Oh, it's an NGO.
Well registered.
Okay.
Yeah, so our main focus or our main goal ni ku how can I explain? Okay, like my objectives here to send that my youth.
My youths.
You know, like nowadays we have jankilism, drug abuse.
Yeah.
We have a lot of things, but never affect my youth. Then believe me, any community, mwamene muri bantu whereby like muri drugs, ibintu bose na siana. Development team abuya.
Yeah, true.
That is the reason we target. I and my team we target like, okay, let's open this organization. Then we start this movement called the same Zingalume Stand Up, like interacting with my youth. Many people can be tani. Like kuzashe bani people like in the process of talking to them or discovering what is causing this increase of drug abuse, jankilism, and ABCD. Tina space over like muri talent.
Yeah.
Yanenga titandize muri footballers.
Yeah.
That is the reason like timashita host footballers. Tabashita ko motivate yapasa ko tuma jersey, we ko tuma certain prizes. That is the reason we hosted the July part like that been kapena to onela kutadi. Okay, ni job like you are doing something they go and not inspire. What is the purpose of doing that?
Yeah,
so like
purpose.
That is the reason us Zingalume Stand Up we are coming here like okay, take this time. Bana matia bola, take this extra motivate. So pasa bana funa ma kiti, funa tani, and you are making sure that kungala tuma tournament so like each and every time bas keeping up busy jama. So they know about Zingalume Stand Up anytime azashita announce tournament. So funga team ya to train, captain my musician, they know like nifunga nishite prepare kuzangala mawana. So kuzangala ka something. So at the end of the day, audience youth are busy for ground.
Yeah, true.
At the end of the day, our mawana tunga fashion no they know about like anytime azashita announce like kuzangala July part. So I have to try by all means up back. Pange to fashion so that is the idea of Zingalume Stand Up.
That's really quite interesting. That's nice because I myself am a resident of Zingalume and I've seen some impact in what you are doing because basically I've been seeing a lot of youths become focused with their lives. You understand? Which is a good initiative, by the way. Yeah. So talking about the year 2025, how has been the year 2025 for you? How would you describe it?
Yeah, like personally, ninaluza like my friendship nabantu yambili and in the process of trying to do ABCD, like okay, like I've lost a lot in this year. Like one of the things in my relationship, like vanilla yamba now in the process ya jubika, but anything happened na people, so see mistake, see shan, but people mashika na people. But to say the truth, the year 2025 it is tough. It's got tough. It's got tough, but at least we have managed to achieve. I personally have managed to achieve one or two things coming into my team. We also at least I achieve like one or two things. I think one of them. I mean, my numbers. I mean, how can I my numbers Facebook?
Ndama kusa motivate.
Achievement
cool. Okay. Talking about your friends, do you think it was worth it for you to lose those friends for you to have the Zingalume Stand Up organization?
No, like uza mwani mangalira kasi.
Hey.
When people want my strategy at a specific time.
Okay.
So it's not a issue by like ni my study great, but I think once when you about chamba tamba na zinga we are in good terms.
Okay.
Yeah, tima chekingana nzamtumira phone utabwanji so like tima chekingana wakafuna yo kuri ine so because they know who is David and was David big machine, so if it's chebe baso if you cheke consult or cheke bwanji singa bichi, and I know like there are some stuff that missing a cheat. The thing I change the consult with. Even if we are not together, but in the background we are together because I'm the many my stick out. I think I stay disclose per one. But my relationship is not ononga na bantu awe yalichemuzi anesi ama my girlfriend yeye anaenda.
So talking about your relationship and stuff like that, are you in a relationship? I just really want to find out because I'm curious. Like, are you in a relationship? Are you seeing someone?
Kadi interview pane mnapa mantumira. Mnapa mnza tepo kamba palizi ngarume sana kunai. Then pama gero mwenzeni. So ni mawano ni pakamira.
Oh.
Okay. Man, ija private.
Yeah, okay.
Ija take kamba after camera. Ija kuja whether dating or sim dating but ija pakamira no.
Okay, lastly, what's your message or reflection for the year of 2025?
Yeah, like message ending I teach encourage kuranzanga. You know, like I want us to encourage like those who are coming in as a competitive wasn't going to stand up. Zinga stand up sinapuro sipita. You know, kuma galako just pushing up by like you are just doing things just present that kabishita then you feel like that's the thing kabishita. What more
yeah.
You get that. But in the sense of I and my team, we don't panic whenever we are doing anything.
That's
That person is going to nyumba just as my phone. Zingarumeona point. Let's do something. Uganza sana. Okay. Bunch to go pursue. Kafandi ka bwanji ko kuma account. Ka promise or ska promise. Ska promise whether ka promise or ska promise like okay 10 then we definitely do that. Okay. So ni calling like sibindi bakwa team. That's the team who got bubu na mopshita no. So I'm just want to encourage those who are coming in as my competitor but muzalema then simuza kwanisa because personally ndivane nkoni. So like kubanga chose mulini kubanga kenge mulini ndivane nkoni. Even in the next 50 years zingamusenda ku is kala. So like those who are coming in as you know that's why Zambia or Muma communities, it's still end up as a growth. When your friend is doing the way you can see why you're doing this podcast.
Yeah.
Man for chita cheni ku support our see.
Yeah, true.
Sisi kamini una vichosa kanuni kwa menu una viambi. So it's kana ushita something. You support us see.
Yeah.
But if nice akaka siwashita podcast nasi tintiano. Yabe tikasiwa mwine samange samon drama adina ma sponsor. Iseshe kwenda ko paper no pa gas pano meja shooting yako pano ka place kaone ka munje kasa ngon pin tiri get so like zambo panic no bana nani ndashimba kasiwa tingo pass so at the end of the day that zaruza pa mbi life.
Yeah, true.
Ungaruze vision yako amine wano kopera subista and understand focus zaruza sheba mbi because who's stressing about push up you know that push up wow cover flexible bichita bachiti okay so that is the only encouragement and capacity. Competition city in health, but you can na much compete. So the only advice I can do one in the action. So it's not that timasunza na ma politicians no. Yeah. But you know like organization idiots. Any organization whether an NGO, ni foundation, ni chan. We need partners. You get ya? We need sponsors. At the end of the day. So, Bamisaka Koma Banga as a sponsor on board. Okay, you guys, mucha sana. Tuko na program kama watu nizanga na sponsor. Is that mean kuja akabwera on tushwa mbotera? You get it? Yeah. So same to now be like bazingarume. Ninaona mnaposta something nizaposta ko attend event. Is that mean akabwera kuja nishwa mbotera? No. Same to Mr. Arit Sakar. The time we had Zingarume July part. Yeah. The big man called me was like, marketing zinga like yasi anasiana boss but since ndimwe mwezo na ticket munga che sepale ti anoti mara simesha biba mara fonda ndra munga che mwazo che bochi okay cool mizaka break. I think the honorable attended the same event.
Did he attend Alexander? Did he attend the event?
Yeah. Ni international.
No.
Zingarume ni international.
How come I never saw that clip on social media? I never saw that photo of him attending the same.
Ezo kopa ijakia kamera yake inabwazi.
No. Okay.
But footage ikapezeka Sakashitashi.
Okay. That's really quite interesting. You know, working with these honorables, these MPs and councillors. At least I feel they contribute somehow. They
Yeah, yeah,
contribute
yeah.
something to the community.
Yeah, yeah.
Because
They
I
are
don't.
giving back. In short, they are giving back to the community.
Yeah, that's really true.
Valan kasa podcast niyan. Sema ndio kamba any last words to your viewers bantanga.
So any last words to your viewers, your people of Zinalumi? Yeah, any last words?
My last word yanga. Like on. Kama zingalumi. Matero.
Oh,
I think hapa kesi nipange prayer. So, chinchi nsema kana origin sema mimi.
yeah.
Iwe skuti zinakuwa ya zona ndio ndani.
Man, why are you asking me that question?
Then uko na sign name ka?
Yeah,
Yeah, so that chinchi nsema kana origin. Ndio emano ndani.
Kasema, of course.
That's one ndio name.
Hey, design him.
Onya ni mnapaka podcast.
Remember some questions I'm like.
Right. Before kupanga clear something. So chinchi nsema kana na kwa make na mbira you get. So zingalume ndo kanipina mbira but that doesn't mean like zingalume too. Oh my God. If you are doing a project, timachira material yonke. So zingalume ni zina shiji kwa mene pina mbira. You just have that respect kwa mene pina mbira.
Yeah, and sorry to cut you. I remember when I attended your event, the people that I saw the event, one million dollar from Mateo.
Yeah.
Yeah, and one of the artists that even won
The
award,
best
is it best rapper in Mateo constituency.
best ujagai bambira after winner. Hapo kuangalia kwa issues kwa msanga bwanja ngai. That time kuziko ma award jambiri yezo shitika mati. But ya wanapanga loso do yanapanga loso. So after kidiski do mwana monse I win like best lapa do Mateo, then everyone was like I win a bwanji stimu za Mateo, but mutisha bwanji ni kuma watu kwa tinzitina jajini.
Yeah.
So it's an amanja the best artist the whole Mateo, and we have much respect on that.
And I think it's really good where you're not only focusing on Singarumi area, but large
Matero yonse.
yeah, which
So balast with young actually tend to support guys mu Matero.
okay.
At the end of the day, we are all contributing to the same communities or to the same Matero.
Yeah.
So tend to support whether kaseba taona ashita something tam support ngoma nta supportera so as a time to queen numbers like let's respect program yake, let's attend the same podcast so that we interact bantu azbeko what is going on maneze didiye like kuri Zingalumi. So tenje tisapotana mu Mateo competition leo but ngona na kuicha competition as I said pa first. So kuri ma viewers but we say Steve Buta comment pese kapa ma social media mfuna help anything mfuna ma certain connections kuri ma artist anything you feel like you want from us, feel free. Zandu next flexible manambazi yatu I think number ya 12 very common wasachinga che wambuli machima number ma ya chinya singa next time na space ka kuri point. So feel free to get in touch na say I think next year that's a bad period. So next year every zankara kona chikupa office kwa mini tamupeleka so that at least tizi nkara easy like pese ka kuri. So next year we are opening our offices.
That's really quite interesting. Yeah, so guys, Monday line guys. Today I was given the privilege to have Zingalumi stand-up CEO. Yeah, I guess you heard everything, right? Yeah, you heard everything, and as you can see on our table here, we have good meals, right?
Emulele.
M Legacy. M Legacy, yeah. So for some of you that don't know M Legacy is Mateo. So when you're in Mateo, you can ask anyone. You should have food by MK. Of course, it's MK. That's why you find M Legacy in that good shawarma. They prepare good shawarma. They're very affordable. Guys. Let's visit